Welcome to our video on how to check if gold is real using a lighter. Make sure to watch until the end of the video to fully understand how fire can be used to test the authenticity of gold items. Before we dive into the testing process, here are some important tips to keep in mind. Firstly, use a butane lighter. Make sure to check out YouTube's recommended products on the screen or down in the description, as they are related to this video and may provide you with extra help with what's been discussed so far. They are usually quite cheap and are unique to this video, so it might be worth checking out. Anyway, back to the tutorial. Reasons. Avoid holding the gold item in your hand instead. Use a pair of pliers or tongs to hold the item securely. Now, to test the gold item using the lighter, begin by lighting the butane lighter and applying the flame directly to a section of the gold item. Hold the flame there for a minute or longer if the surface area of the gold item is larger. Carefully observe the changes in color on the gold item. You will notice that gold-plated items will get darker as they continue to burn, whereas pure gold will glow brighter as it gets hotter. For gold-plated items, you can clean off the burnt marks by first soaking them in cold water and then wiping them with a soft cloth. However, you may still notice some dark marks after cleaning. It is important to note that the fire test can sometimes damage your gold-plated items. Therefore, to avoid the risk of damage, you might consider trying other tests to check if your gold is real. Thanks for watching, and until next time.